So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. That's right, I'm still in the same clothes as the last video. Anyway, I wanted to go over a subscription that we are saying goodbye to. This is GlossyBox. Now, y'all know I had an issue the very first box I got. Well, not an issue, but customer service kind of treated me like, I don't know, I was being a burden or something. I was just asking them how they work, their billing. Then I got that straightened out. I got the box and everything. And then we had an issue. They kind of like hijacked my money for almost a whole month and said, sorry, there's an issue with your box. But anyway, if you want to see what's inside this is for the month of April. If you want to see what's in this box, then keep on watching. Okay guys, so in case you don't remember, this is GlossyBox. I had it last March, and then this is April's box. Now, what happened with this, I don't know if you remember, if you saw me unbox it in March, I had an issue with customer service. I reached out to ask a question, and they kind of treated me like I was bothering them. So I said, you know, and to me, guys, customer service is key. I don't care if you have the greatest box on the planet. If your customer service stinks, you gotta go. I can't mess with you. But anyway, it's like the whole experience, you know. It kind of ruins it, for me anyway. That's my own opinion, okay? So anyway, remember I said I was cutting back on some boxes because, you know, things are a little tight and I want to have this giveaway and, you know, whatever. So the thing is, and I didn't get my stimulus check yet, so I don't know about anybody else, but I didn't get mine. So I think I'm getting one. I don't know. It's not here yet. But okay, so this is GlossyBox, and what happened was, I was like, where's the box? Where's the boxes? Because I did email them like the third week. And I said, hey guys, like, aren't you supposed to be shipping? Like, I forgot. So I went back and I looked. And because I had a problem the first time with the shipping, I couldn't go off of that, right? So I emailed them again. And I said, listen, I'm sorry to bother you. I said, listen, I'm really sorry to bother you. I don't understand, like, the way you ship. Like, it's saying that I don't have a box. Like, when I went in my account, it didn't even say I had an order. They took my money, but it didn't say, like, order. Because on GlossyBox, if anybody has it, you'll know then what I'm talking about. There's a little green bar across, and it gets filled up as your package gets, you know, moves along. Well, I didn't have one for the month of April. There was no order there. There's no order number, no nothing. So I emailed them, like, hey, like, I'm missing an order or something. It says you have no active orders at this time. So back and forth, you know, waited. They finally got back to me. Waited again. Finally got back to me. They said, oh, we're sorry. There was an issue with, they said, we're sorry. There was an error with your box. We'll call you. We'll get in touch with you tomorrow. And there was an error. Sorry, I'm really tired. There was an error with your box. Not like production or anything. With your box. This is the way they worded it. There was an error with your box. We are going to get a hold of you tomorrow to figure out how to give you a refund. And I was like, wait, you've had my money for 3 weeks and I'm just hearing about this now? No, I don't think so. Like, wait a minute. I said, what am I supposed to do? Because, like, I planned on filming this, you know what I mean? So I'm thinking in my head, I need a slot. Like, I don't even have the money because they have it, right? So anyway, I said that to them. I said, listen, my money's been tied up all month. It's not even like I can go buy anything. Like, the end of the month is here now. Now you want to give my money back? I feel like they almost, like, kept my money. You know what I mean? Or used my money and now they're done with it and they gave it back to me. I don't know. I'm crazy. Conspiracy. I don't know. Not really. But anyway. So I did reach out and they got back to me and they said, we're going to escalate this to whatever, higher department. So they did. Talked to a supervisor and they were like really apologetic. They said, listen, I don't know why that was said to you, but we're shipping your box and because of the inconvenience, we're going to give you a refund. So I did get a refund. I didn't ask for a refund. I swear. I just wanted the box. And so they gave me the box and they did give me a refund and I did get it. So thank you, GlossyBox. Unfortunately, right now, I just have to really cut back. Like, you know, I spend way too much money. But, so maybe in the future, I mean, it's not a bad box. It's not. It's just I wish their customer service would be a little more respectful. That's all. Anyway, so there's that. So here, this always comes in the outer packaging, and this is what it looks like. Okay, there goes my thumbnail. No, I'm just kidding. So when you open it up, oh, jeez, it always has a bow and a card, right? Okay. Oh, and I did peel that off to save some time because I had a heck of a time opening the last box. So this month is Blossom, okay? And then I always love their boxes. I will say that. They're so pretty. And then you have little tie, which I think is so cute. I save these boxes in case I want to send like, you know, prizes out or whatever. If I can fill a box with a prize, I'll go ahead and use one of these. I just like it. I think it's nice. So there's the top, and it has little, you know, flowers. It's a really, really nice box. I'm going to sit this over here. Okay, so when, oh, and there's always a little sticker on here. Hold on. See the sticker right up here? Okay. Let's see. Can I do it? Oh, I opened it without ripping it. Imagine that. Okay. Oh, if I can just get it open. So that's what I see. Okay. Some big things in here. Okay, so, do they have a card? No, right? I forget if this one has a card. I don't remember. Oh, they have this black curly stuff. Where is it? I like it, but it makes a mess. But I do like them. I save them, and I put them in my packages. Okay, so the first thing I'm seeing here is, this is different. Ink. It's called Inked, like tattooed, inked. Inked by Danny. Temporary tattoos, hand-drawn and cruelty-free. So here you go. So that's kind of cute. Who knows? Maybe I'll get... I have real tattoos, but I don't want any more. But this is kind of cute. Okay, so I don't know if that's considered an item in the box. I don't know. All right, the next thing I'm pulling out is Be Your... What? It says Be Your... Ink... What? Readable self. Oh, be your incredible. Oh my gosh, it's be your ink, like ink, credible self. Nails ink. So if you can you read that? Can you see that, guys? I don't know if you can read that. It's kind of like a play on words. I don't know if you can see it. There you go. So there you go. And the color is, I don't know what the color is. The color is Blossom Kisses. So it's like a mauvey pink. It's not really my shade. I'm more into like shiny. I like shiny stuff, what can I say? But I mean, that's cute. I can pass that along in a giveaway, no problem. Okay, and then we have this big old bottle here. What's this? Collabs Dry Shampoo, Oil Absorption Without the White. So here we have it. And this, I'm assuming this would be a full size. It's skinny, but I mean, it's definitely a full size. I don't have the prices, guys. Like I said, I'll try and link them up here for you and then give you a total of the box. Oh, if you don't know about GlossyBox, sorry. It's monthly, and you do pay I want to say $21 or $23. I don't know, but I'll link it down below. Okay, so this is, listen, you hear that? What is this? Miracle Mist Speed Drying Spray. Oh, for nail polish. Okay, so we got the nail polish, and then you put this. I've tried stuff like this. It really does work. You spray it on your nails, and it dries them quicker, not like super quick like you would expect. Like, you know, oh, it's done. No. But it does help them to dry faster, and I am the most impatient person, so I will definitely get use out of this for sure. I don't have a problem painting my nails. It's in between waiting. That's where I have the issue. Okay, so that's the third product. Oh, well, fourth if you count these. I don't know. And then we have this one. What is this? This is the Avant Rose Papaya Vitamin B5 Proline Alanine Papaya. What? That's a lot of papaya. That's a lot of, I don't know, a lot. That's a lot of ingredients there. Okay. So it is from the brand Avant, and we know Avant is expensive. And it is, this is probably a deluxe sample. It's 1.69, I don't know. This is Gentle Rose Beautifying Face Exfoliant. Oh, so it's an exfoliant. Okay. Age Nutri Revive. Says it right there. Age Nutri Revive. So, is it closed? Yeah. It has a seal on it. I wanted to open it up. But I'm working with so many exfoliators. I have that Co-Truffle or Truffle & Co. whatever. Okay, so that's nice. Like I said, I'm betting this is probably the star of the show. Because Avant is expensive. BoxyCharm had them in there, I think. And so did maybe Ipsy. I don't know. And then we have, what is this? V&R. Oh, Flower Bomb. Okay. Flower Bomb Nectar. Now, I'm not a big... Let me just smell this before I say anything, because I like... Oh, which reminds me, I have a video that I have for you guys about a company that make incredible, incredible perfumes. Love them so much. They sent me some things, and I promised them I would come on here and tell you all about it, because... And guys, you can get them at Walmart, and they're so affordable, and they're like the bomb, okay? Well... I don't know, this, I mean, I guess it does smell nice, but it's not my scent. No. Oh my God. No, it's not my scent. But it is cute though, because look at the packaging. Okay, it comes in a little box like this. That is pretty cute, if you can see that. Can you see that? And then when you open it up, it's like this. I mean, that's pretty. And I think Flower Bomb is really expensive. I'm pretty sure it is. Huh. Okay. But like I said, the scent is just a little too sweet for me. I'm more of like a fresh scent or like Chinese spicy type thing. I love Samsara. If you ever get a chance to try Samsara, smell it, please do. Guerlain makes it, and it is amazing. It's amazing. So this is cute. I mean, I can't really send this out in a giveaway. I'm not supposed to anyway, so I don't know. Maybe I'll just pass this along or something to someone. So let's recap. We have the perfume, which I'm sure is worth a pretty penny. I'm sure of it. Yeah, I'm sure of it. Even though it's a smaller like version, but I'm definitely betting this is worth money. And then the Avant, which I know is probably the star of the show. It's probably worth more than everything in this box totaled. I'm just guessing, but I'm sure because of the name, you know, the company. So we have the face exfoliator, the rose Gentle Rose Beautifying Face Exfoliant. Okay, I'm excited to try this but I'm still working on. I have a couple of them, and then I like this. I definitely like this because your girl got no patience when she paints her nails, so that'll help. And then the nail polish, although it isn't really my shade, I mean, no. Unless I could put something frosty over it, maybe, I don't know. And then we have the dry shampoo. Love, what is it? Oh, it just says love. What is it? Collab Dry Shampoo Original Fragrance, whichever that is. I don't know. Let me smell. Oh, I know that. It does. Oh, that smells like perfume. I don't know if I'd want that in my hair. I know the bees would be chasing me. It says, amazing oil absorption without the white residue. Okay. So there you go. But you know I'm not a big dry shampoo, guys. I did a video on my hair, too, because I had a product from Buzz Agent I had to try. So I took clips, walking you through the steps. So I don't know if it's together, but I know the clips are together. I think what I have to do is I want to try. It's a product for your hair. It's so funny. When I put that up, listen to the story. I tell you right away what happened. It's hilarious. It's so hilarious. I can't believe only I would do something like this. Just wait till you see that video, guys. You're gonna laugh your ass off. Oh my God. Robin, if you're watching, I know you're going to get a kick out of it. Only something like I would do. Just saying, okay? Anyway, guys. Oh, here it is. I forgot. We did have the card. See, look at that. Okay, so since they're only 12 minutes, let me really quickly tell you. I'm sorry. So the nail polish we had, that was, don't let me start doing that again. That's how you know I'm tired. Okay, so this is the Nails Ink Blossom Kisses nail polish. It is 2 to 3 coats you have to use. See, I would never have patience in between. It would come out all messed up. That nail polish was $11, okay? And then, what's this? I didn't get the mask. Wait a minute. Oh, I got the Avante. Why didn't I get the mask? Is there a mask in here? I didn't get the mask. Am I supposed to get the mask? Yeah, I was supposed to. Where's my mask at? Okay, so I didn't get a mask. How come I didn't get a mask, man? Really? That sucks. I like masks. Y'all know I like masks. But there's no variation, I don't think, right? No. No. Anyway, it says the Avante is the Gentle Rose Beautifying Face Exfoliant. $114 for the small one. Don't over exfoliate. Make sure you use this on a weekly, not daily basis. So there's that. Vitamask. I would have loved to have that. Ruby Sheet Mask. This face mask is such a gem. The combination of geranium, essential oils, and go-go berries helps with skin hydration and encourage radiant and healthy glow. I didn't get it. It was worth $7 though. Okay, so the Collabs shampoo was... Really? That's it for that shampoo? $5.49. That's crazy. That's pretty cheap, right? I mean, that's a good price, I guess. And then you have the Victor and Vic Tor and Rolf, the perfume. Whoa! Okay, wait a minute. Deluxe Mini, which is that one. I was going to say, the full size, which is 1.7, is $120. The one we got, which doesn't say the size, is $23.89, or no, 69 cents. $23.69 for the little one. And yeah, there it is. And then the inked, what? Okay, so the tattoo, I didn't put that back in. This one right here, Flower Child Temporary Tattoos. Okay, so this bonus item is my personal fave. That's what she says. How long do you hold? Okay, whatever. Okay, the manufacturer price is $12.99. So $13 for this card of tattoos. That's a little crazy, but I don't think I pay that much. So yeah, so I don't know what the total of the box is. I'll leave it up here somewhere. I'm mad I didn't get that mask, though. I would have liked that mask. I like masks a lot. Anyway, guys, there you have it. It is GlossyBox for the month of April. She showed up, but we're going to say goodbye to the GlossyBox for now. I might very well bring it on when my money gets a little better, you know, and I get some bills straightened out or whatever. But there you have it. Okay, guys, so like I said, be mindful of the giveaway. If you haven't seen my Bijou Beauty box, I am having a giveaway at 250. It will go live. The giveaway will start when I reach a 250, and there are 3 winners. The grand prize winner will receive a 3-month subscription gifted to them in whatever subscription they want. Now remember, if you have BoxyCharm and you want to try Ipsy, there's a way to do it, or Ipsy Glam Bag. So you could get the little bag, you could get Ipsy Glam Bag, you could get Slay Glam Bag, you could get Glitz Glam Box, which I highly recommend. And not just because it's less expensive, because it's a really good box, okay? So don't think that. I'm just saying I love that subscription. Y'all know that. BoxyCharm. Purchase at your own risk. It ain't for me. You guys, you know. Anyway, let me stop. Yeah, so there's that. You guys definitely, you know, pick whichever one you want. That's the grand prize winner. The runner-up will receive a 1-month subscription sent to the house. This way they get to at least try it, okay? And now, even though it's $25 per box, remember, guys, the value of those boxes are super high. So you are really getting a lot of value. So I just want to do that. And I'm so mad, Slay Glam Box. I love you, but I'm mad at you because you did it. You said it first. I mean, she's doing it with the people who get the PR. She's giving away a 3-month subscription. But that's the one I was telling you guys that I was looking and I haven't really seen any other, like, YouTuber really do that. Like, give away a 3-month subscription of the subscription box of your choice. As long as it's 25 or under, I'm fine with it. You just gotta let me know. Okay, that will be the grand prize. And then I said the runner-up will receive 1 month sent to their home, you know, directly to them. And then the third place will receive, I have so much BoxyCharm here. Y'all know that because they don't send me anything I can use, guys. So I just gave away a whole BoxyCharm on my live show. Congratulations to Sylvia. She won that. I'm hoping she got it by now. And, yeah, so I'm going to make a box with all BoxyCharm items, brand new, never touched, in a BoxyCharm and send it to you. That's the 3rd place runner-up. Okay, so there you have it. Once we hit 250, this giveaway will go live, and it will stay live for however much time. I haven't decided yet. But anyway, I'm trying to get the channel to 250, guys, so we can do this giveaway. I'm excited. I'm a little upset that Slay Glam Box is doing it, but, you know, it is what it is. Anyway, guys, I will see you. Until I see you in the next video, please. We're like, I don't know what, halfway through this thing. Please, if you can, take care of each other and be very, very safe. Okay? I'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye. Love ya.